At Smith Corona, we are constantly looking to expand and improve our role in the label market. We strive to offer high-quality products that suit all our customers' needs, which is why we're making custom and pre-printed labels a top priority. Our new Domino Variable Information Printhead allows us to print custom labels for your company's needs. This piece of equipment allows us to print sequential barcodes in line as we manufacture the labels. Most other companies print the barcodes on the labels after the blanks are already a finished product. This process is expensive and time-consuming. Through making the labels and printing the barcodes all at once, Smith Corona is able to offer these products at a significantly lower price than the competition. License plate number labels, or LPN for short, can help with tracking inventory, verifying data, and simplifying the supply chain process. These license plate labels are extremely popular in the receiving departments of warehouses and factories. Are you in need of pre-printed labels? You can either use our sequential label configurator or fill out a custom label request at smithcorona.com.